Welcome to PreMath. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve this given math puzzle. 1 plus 4 equals to 5, 2 plus 5 equals to 12, 3 plus 6 equals to 21, 4 plus 7 equals to 32. Then what is going to be the answer for 9 plus 11? So what is the correct answer? Can you give a try? You may pause the video and take your time. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution to this given puzzle. And here is our strategy. Find a certain pattern, apply and justify. So let's take a deep breath and start working on this problem. So the very first step we are going to do is let's multiply these two numbers. 1 times 4 is 4. And then let's focus on this number on the left hand side. We are going to add 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Let's repeat the same process with other numbers. So let's multiply 2 times 5 is 10, and once again we are going to take this number, the first number. 10 plus 2 is going to give us 12. Likewise, we are going to repeat this process. So 3 times 6 equals to 18, and then look at this number, plus 3 gives us 21. So far this pattern is working really fine. So let's move on to next number and see to justify. So 4 times 7 is 28, and then we just add this number 4 on that one. So we are going to get 32. Let's apply the same pattern to this last set of numbers. 9 times 11 is going to be 99, and then we are going to add this first number to it. So 99 plus 9 is going to be 108. So thus the answer to this puzzle turns out to be 108, and that is our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.